Before you service your compressor, don't forget to observe safe working practices and follow all local work safety requirements and regulations. That also means wearing the necessary personal protective equipment. First, make sure you have everything in place for the service intervention. Open the service kit and check the content. Make sure you wear adequate hearing protection before starting the unit. Turn the main switch to the on position. Then start the unit and let it run until it gets warm. This takes between 5 and 10 minutes. When the machine is warm, turn the compressor off again. Lock the main switch. Make sure the switch is in the off position. Then press the button to release the latch and put a lock into it. Draining the compressor oil is the next step. First, open the yellow hood of the unit. Place an oil pan under the unit, directly below the drain point. Then remove the drain plug at the underside of the machine. Drain the oil and collect it in the oil pan. Unscrew the oil filler plug on the side of the vessel with a single turn. Completely unscrew the filler plug on the side of the vessel to speed up the draining procedure. While draining the oil, you can replace the air filter. Put on clean gloves before doing so. Open the air filter housing and remove the air filter. Clean the housing and then place a new air filter into the housing. Make sure to compare it to the old one. Then carefully close the housing again. Next, replace the oil filter. First, unscrew the used oil filter. Put it in a bucket or another receptacle. Prepare the new oil filter. Lubricate the gasket of the new filter element with oil. You can also use Vaseline, but oil is better. Screw the oil filter into place until the gasket fits into its seat. Tighten it 1/2 turn only. Next, replace the oil separator element. Mark down the position of the top cover for future reference. Then remove the bolts from the vessel cover and carefully take off the cover. Remove the retainers, the oil separator element, and the O-ring. By now, the oil should be drained. Clean the drain plug, replace the gasket, and clean the drain hole on the vessel. Reposition the drain plug and tighten it. Pour fresh oil down the top of the vessel until the level reaches the thread of the filler neck. This takes approximately 23 liters. Don't forget to properly dispose of empty oil containers. Then proceed with installing the new oil separator element. Take a new O-ring and apply Vaseline to it. Then carefully position the O-ring on its groove. Place a new retainer on the bottom of the vessel. Place the second new retainer on the top. Finally, put the new oil separator element into place. Make sure to compare it to the one that was removed. Use the markers you made earlier to ensure you put it in the correct position. Reinstall the cover carefully. Tighten the bolts up to 73 Newton-meter. Clean the filler plug and the opening of the filler neck. Replace the gasket. Reinstall and tighten the oil filler plug. Time for a test run. Start the unit. If you're unsure how to do this, watch our video with the start instructions. Run the unit unloaded for a few minutes. Check the unit for leaks, for abnormal noise, and for alarms. Stop the unit. Again, watch our video with the stop instructions if you need help. Finish by doing a visual inspection of the combi cooler. Clean it if needed. Also, make sure that all other vital parts of the unit are clean and that replaced parts are disposed of properly. That's it. Your unit is serviced and good to go.